The first light of dawn glints across polished chrome, tracing the lines of a masterpiece born to conquer roads and hearts alike. The Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck 2026 stands ready, a moving mansion sculpted in power, grace, and intelligence. It doesn't just move through landscapes, it commands them. Welcome back to Car Flair, where innovation meets emotion, and every journey begins with wonder. Today, we take you inside a machine that redefines luxury travel, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck, where engineering meets artistry in perfect motion. Before we explore its luxurious heart, let's take a moment to witness the outside. The design language of this model speaks fluent sophistication, bold, aerodynamic, and purposeful. The signature Mercedes three-pointed star glows within a diamond-pattern grille, flanked by razor-thin digital matrix LED headlamps that illuminate like starlight. The entire body flows in one seamless motion, sculpted aluminum panels, integrated roofline spoilers, and a floating glass canopy that captures sunlight by day and city lights by night. New 23-inch turbine-style alloy wheels glide effortlessly beneath sculpted fenders, while chrome-lined air ducts breathe both style and strength. The presence is unmistakable. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. And beneath this elegance roars brilliance, the engine. Mercedes has crafted a 4.7-liter bi-turbo hybrid V8, harmonizing with dual electric drive units to deliver a staggering 710 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque. It's paired with the latest 9G Tronic Plus automatic transmission, engineered to shift as smooth as silk and as quick as thought. Compared to the 2024 model's 4.2-liter hybrid V6, this powertrain is not only stronger but 28% more efficient. The new E-Ride adaptive suspension senses every curve and surface in milliseconds, ensuring ride comfort that feels almost unreal. Even at top speed, the cabin remains hushed, a cocoon of quiet mastery. Now step closer, and enter a new world inside. The lounge and lunch area feels like stepping into a 5-star suite on wheels. Italian leather recliners, a floating marble-top dining table, and panoramic smart glass windows that tint automatically with sunlight. Soft golden ambient lighting drifts through walnut-trimmed walls, creating an atmosphere that feels both powerful and peaceful. Move into the kitchen, where technology meets elegance. Dual induction stoves, a smart refrigerator with AI temperature zones, and a self-cleaning oven that responds to voice command. Every cabinet glides open silently, revealing perfectly organized storage. The design whispers luxury, minimalist yet warm, futuristic yet human. Next, the bathroom, compact, refined, and stunning. Rainfall shower with chrome fixtures, marble-style walls, touch controls for temperature, and aromatherapy air vents that refresh the space instantly. It's comfort reborn. Then the bedroom, where tranquility takes form. A king-size adaptive mattress rests beneath a panoramic skylight that reveals the stars at night. The air feels cool, the lighting soft, golden in the evening, pale silver by dawn. A retractable 4K smart display folds seamlessly from the ceiling, turning your rest into a cinematic escape. Finally, the driver's cabin, the command bridge of this rolling luxury. The curved OLED dashboard integrates navigation, diagnostics, and entertainment into one panoramic view. The new DriveSense AI learns the driver's habits, adjusting throttle and suspension in real time. 360 degrees radar vision, auto lane correction, and Mercedes Level 3 autonomous assist make every drive effortless, even through chaos. Compared to its predecessor, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Truck feels like an evolution of travel itself, lighter, smarter, and infinitely more refined. Every surface, every sound, every sensation has been tuned to perfection. As twilight kisses the horizon, the truck gleams softly under its LED contours, part home, part heart, part horizon. The world passes by, but you remain still in motion, wrapped in silence, wrapped in luxury. If this journey stirred your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, only on Car Flair, where every drive is a story, and every story begins with a dream.